Hello my lovely foodie members, welcome back again to my channel. I hope everybody is doing wonderfully well. Today we're making a special Ghanaian light soup recipe. Yes, we're making beef pepper soup or light soup recipe. All you have to do is to sit back and enjoy the recipe. If you're new to my channel, hello, this is Cooking with Efia. Kindly do subscribe to my channel and be part of this amazing family. Now, without wasting much of your time, let's get started. To begin, let's start by cooking our vegetables. So for vegetables of choice, I'll be cooking some garden eggs, carrots, pepper, and lastly I'll also cook some fresh peanuts. Kindly omit the peanut if you don't want it, but trust me, it adds good taste to your light soup. Okay, now let's go in with enough water. I will cover and allow it to cook for about 20 minutes until it's nice and very soft. And we are back after extra 20 minutes, and this is how our vegetables looks like. Very soft and just perfect. Now I'm going to set this aside, allow it to cool down a little bit before I blend. Alright, so moving forward, we're going to start by steaming our protein. So for protein of choice, I'll be using beef, as I said, and I'll also add a little bit of salted pork and also salted beef as well. For the salted beef, I have a very detailed recipe for it on this channel. I'll leave the video link in the description box for you to check it out. Now for seasoning, I'll be adding in some blended garlic, ginger and onion, and also some chopped onions as well. Moving forward, I'll go in with some mixed seasoning powder, a little bit of garlic, ginger and onion powder as well, and also some salt to taste. Always adjust everything to your taste. Lastly, I'll go in with some tomato paste. You can also use fresh tomatoes if that is what you want. Okay, now let's go in with enough water. I'll stir everything together very nicely, and once that is done, I will cover and allow it to cook on medium heat for approximately 20 minutes for the protein to really steam beautifully. Now whilst that is going on, I want to also use this opportunity to thank you all my returning subscribers and new foodie members right here. You guys are amazing. Thank you so much for liking my videos, sharing and also commenting on my videos, fam. I am very grateful. Thank you so much for doing that. We are back to check on our protein after extra 20 minutes, and this is how it looks like. It smells really good in here, and the meat is also very soft as well. Now all that is left is to go in with our blended vegetables, which is our pepper, garden eggs, peanuts and also the carrots. As I said, feel free to use any vegetable of your choice. Okay, now after going in with the blended vegetables, you know light soup is very light as the name goes, so kindly add in the water according to how thick or light you want your soup to be. Alright, so once the water goes in, I'll give it a very gentle stir, and once that is done, I'll also go in with a little bit of okra. You can omit it totally, but trust me, I'll be enjoying this with some swallow. So adding the okra to it is just the best idea. You can also omit it if you don't want it. Okay, now after adding everything, remember also to check in for salt. If the salt is not okay, kindly add in more to your taste. Okay, now let's cover it and allow it to cook until it's nice and ready. And so whilst the soup is cooking beautifully, let me also remind you that subscribing is free. So if you haven't still subscribed to the channel yet, what are you waiting for? Kindly do subscribe to my channel and also do turn on the post notification bell so that anytime I upload amazing videos like this, you will be among the first person to be notified. And also do let me know what you think about this super delicious and simple Ghanaian beef fly soup recipe. I hope you're going to try this recipe, and I'll be glad to read all your amazing comments down below. Trust me, I really wanted this soup to really taste really good, so I added in some mackerel in tomato sauce. You can omit it as well, but trust me, adding in the mackerel also took the soup taste to another level. After adding in the mackerel, I'll allow it to cook for extra 20 to 30 minutes on a very low heat until the soup is nice and ready. Alright, so this is the outcome after the soup is ready. It's looking very inviting and very mouth-watering as well. All that is left is to enjoy this with any combo of your choice. Trust me, it is really amazing. So all you have to do is to trust the process. Thank you so much for watching this video up to this point. And if you enjoyed to this point, that means you are always a proud foodie member. Do subscribe to my channel and be part of this amazing family. Thank you once again, and see you in my next upload. Bye.